Okay, before I get started, have you guys seen the new Transcend box? Look at that. So it's brown. It used to be white. And on the box, it says this box is 100% recyclable. It contains 80% post-consumer content, water-based inks, and is sustainably sourced. Okay, way to go, Transcend. All right, I was excited about the new box, but let's talk about these clothes. Hi everyone, I'm Barbara. Welcome to my channel and welcome to, already unboxed it, and a try on from Transcend by Evereve. I almost said the other way around. So anyways, I'm still kind of intrigued by that box. I don't know why. All right, so Transcend is a styling service. You get a personal stylist who will send you, the box is getting smaller and smaller. I think I only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, looks like 6 items in here, 2 pairs of pants, and I'm gonna try them on for you. The styling fee is $20, and anything that you keep, that $20 will be applied to your purchase. And let's see what else. Shipping is free, so they send it to you free. You ship it back for free. They give you an envelope to ship it back in. And let's see, oh, you know what? If you keep 4 or more items, 10% off, an additional 10% off. And if you use my referral link, you get 20% off your entire box of anything you purchase from that particular box. And I also received 20% off. So people have been using my referral link, so I appreciate that. Thank you so much. All right, let's get started. Enough of that. Let's see what Transcend sent me. I knew I should have did this at the table, but let's just go with it. All right, pair of pants. What are these? These are by Cut from the Kloth, High Rise, Meg, Fab, Ab, Wide Leg. That's a mouthful. They're a nice cream color. I like the wide leg. It does have a finished hem. I did increase my sizes, but this one's a size 8. I increased them to a size 10, so maybe they run a little bit big. So we'll give these a try. And a top to go with it. A nice, pretty print. It looks like some flowers. This is a shocker. Wait till you see this outfit when I back up. And you'll see why I'm surprised that I really, really like it. I feel good in it, but let's talk about this top. This is really, really nice. It's called a Dream Cotton Desmond top. I am wearing a size small. It buttons halfway down. It is, they are working buttons. And I can't tell, this kind of looks, they just call it a floral. It looks like it's brown in the camera. It looks a little like a light black in person with the cream flowers. The sleeves they're just stitched, a nice stitching and a nice stitching around the collar. It is really, really cute, but it's pricey. It is $98, but because somebody used my referral link, I received 20% off anything that I purchased. And so that brings us down to $78, which is still expensive, but it's really nice. This is something I will get a lot of wear out of, especially with spring and summer here. They are the dolman sleeves. And I'll show you the length. Did I already tell you this? I'll show you the length after I show you the whole outfit. And it comes in 2 other colors. So this is considered the floral. They have a white and they also have a navy. And both of those look really nice. I like both of those also. All right, what else can I tell you about this? It's 100% organic cotton, and it is longer. You can kind of see it here. But let me talk about these pants. Oh my gosh, let me back up. You guys are gonna be shocked. They are probably not the right fit. These are a size 8. I probably should go up a size, but let me back up. Oh my goodness, they're crops. Wide leg. I like the wide leg crops, and I'm 5'3". I think for me, they should be a little bit shorter on me, but I don't know. And they're not the right shoes. I need some better shoes to wear with them, but I really like these pants. They fit great, except I know they're too tight right here. I think this is the only place that's given me a little problems, but Yeah, we did a quick turn on that. I'm not sure, I'm gonna have to look back, but I think this is a problem here. And if I size up, they might be too big, but we'll take a look at that. Okay, these are cut from the Kloth. They are the Meg wide leg, high-waisted pants. They're $94. My price is $75. And we're in a size 8. So I think I should size up to a 10 and see if they're too loose. Okay, here's the top, tucked out. Does go up on the side, so it is longer if you want to wear it out. I like it tucked in, but it is pretty cute. What do you think of the outfit? Be honest with me. You know I don't like crop pants. There's something about these that I like. It's just a matter of finding the right shoes and the right fit. All right, let's see what's next. Somebody at my door. Don't they know I'm filming? Come on. All right, let's take a look at the next item. Look at this top. This is really cute. Has some pinstripes, really faint, 3/4 sleeves. It does have a finished edge. This is not stretchy. It's not elastic. Has nice little cloth covered button, and it's a V-neck. This is cute. This is a nice top. I love the V-neck on this with the wider band here, stitched around the neck. I like the 3/4 sleeve with the button instead of the elastic around the arm. Did I tell you I'm wearing a size small? This is called a Rusted Rose. This top is pricey. It's $88. My price will be $70, but it just screams spring. Look at the way the sleeves up here kind of lay. They're kind of, they're puckered a little bit. And I'm not exactly sure what that's called, but you know what? I bet if Nancy Ann from Nancy Ann's Unboxing, who also does sewing, she knows the detail. She can tell you the detail of a garment. And based on the price, if it's worth the price, based on how much work goes in to making the garment and the fabric. So check out her video that she put out. It's very helpful. I learned a lot, Nancy. Okay, back to the top. This is really cute though. The only thing is that it is hand washed, and you guys know I am not a fan of hand wash, at least not right now while we're in our rental until we get our own washer and dryer, because this washer isn't all that great, let me tell you. But it is kind of, you could wear it out. So it's longer. I don't know, hand wash or not, I kind of like this top. I think I'll get a lot of wear out of it. Let me show it to you with the pants. How cute is this? I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, the next top we have is a black top for spring. It's all kind of out of that same material where it looks all wrinkled. Not sure what you call that. But I have a black button-up. I'm going to put it on with these pants also. So we'll see what that looks like. Now we have a button-down. This is black. It is fully buttoned down. I am wearing a size small. It is by Cloth & Stone. It is called the Textured Button-Down Top. It's $88. Yeah, $88. It does have a collar on here. I don't know if I showed you. It is stitched. Let's fold it a little bit. It's hard to see when it's black. Just a little cuff. No, it's pretty cute, but I think it's just too black, which is a shock for me. I know, I like to wear my blacks, but I don't know. There's just something about it. Maybe, I don't know what it is. It's just not talking to me, especially for the price. But this is how long it is. It does have stretch in it. Okay, so I know this is going to be a no, and I didn't see it online for any other colors. I cannot talk. Okay, we have just one outfit left. We have a pair of jeans. These are cut from the cloth, but she sized me up in a size 10 in these. So they're, you know, the lighter wash, so they're good for, you know, I think spring and summer. It has the raw hem, which I'm okay with. So they feel a little heavy. And then we have a, who's this by? Sweaty Betty. I love Sweaty Betty. The stuff just wears so well. It's very expensive, but it just wears really well. But this, look how short it is. Yikes. I have the sweatshirt on by Sweaty Betty. And I have to tell you, I love it, but I'm on the fence about a couple things because look, it's a crop. Ugh, why did it have to be a crop? Oh goodness, it's got the cute little slit on the side. Look at the detail on the sleeve. It's so soft, so soft. I put a cami on underneath it, obviously because it's a crop. I like the long cuff, whatever you call this, on here. I can't think. It's got the thumb holes, so when you walk, and I have started walking again, so I don't know. Do I keep it? It's so cute and it's so soft. How much is it? It's normally $68, which isn't a bad price for Sweaty Betty. And my price would be $54 and I have $20 styling fee. So I don't know. Look at the hem detail on it. Let me show you the back. Did I already show you the back? I don't think so. This is called the After Class Crop Sweatshirt. So I don't know. I think I would get some wear out of this. This is something I probably would not wear out. I would only wear it at home. As you can see, you could dress it up. I have my necklaces on. Put it on with a pair of sweatpants. Put on a pair of gym shoes. But what I'm going to show you with are the cut from the cloth. What are these called? The Rachael Straight Leg. They're high-waisted. And they're cropped. She sent me a size 10. The regular $104. My price would be $83. So let me show you. I left my heels on because I like to dress up. See, you can dress up a sweatshirt with heels. I think it makes a really cute outfit. You look a little more put together. But these are the jeans. Well, I don't need to lift my shirt because it's a crop. But here's the thing with the jeans. They are size 10, but they are really loose back here. There's a lot of stretch that they just aren't comfortable, and then they pull in the crotch. Look at all that material. So I'm in between sizes right now, so it depends on the brand. So if I could wear these in an 8, I'm gonna ooze, but you know, like I've been saying, it is what it is. What are you gonna do? I don't know, I'm thinking about keeping this. What do you guys think? I just, you know, how often am I gonna raise my arms? I would need to wear a cami underneath it. I don't know, I think it's pretty cute. Let's see, let's do a real quick recap. So as you can see, it was a short box. It was a small box for me. I love, love, love these wide leg jeans. I'm not sure about the fit. I'll have to watch the video. You guys let me know, but they just kind of look ill-fitting in the front. And I don't know what the back looks like, but I would love to keep those. I would like to keep this, not the black top. And actually both of these, even though this is hand wash, I've been wearing a lot more blouses lately. I would get, especially for spring, I would get a lot of wear out of this. And this is short sleeves. I would get a lot of wear out of this one also. So that would be 4 items for additional 10% off. But you guys know me, I don't buy things just because I'm gonna add something in for 10% off unless it's like almost free. And I don't know if that's the case here, but more than likely, I'm only gonna keep 3 because I don't think the white pants are actually gonna look right on me. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know. Okay, thanks for watching everyone. I have missed you guys. I am trying to get back in the swing of it. I do have a video coming up that I will film within the next couple weeks. It might be a month before you see that update video because I've got some things going on that's gonna take some time. So we'll see. I don't know when I'll pop back up. But thanks so much for watching everyone. Have a wonderful morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, from my home to yours.